Hey guys, today I have a quick unboxing of the black Apple Watch Sport 42mm. Let's just hop right in. I have to lift the lid. There we have the Apple Watch branding. Here we have the watch itself. We'll get to that in a second. Owner's manual, extra strap, and all that good stuff. Here we have a wall wart. And then we have the charger for the Apple Watch itself. Now let's take a look at the Apple Watch real quick. Here we have a pull tab. Take off this plastic. Here we have the Apple logo. And there we have the watch. Alright, so I've had the watch for about a week now, and it's served me well so far. It's definitely a good device, and so far my first impressions are great. It runs smoothly and everything, just as I thought it would be. There are not many apps that are supported, so that slightly disappoints me. And when you first start out using it, it's definitely gonna be a little weird at first, but you'll catch on really quickly. And everything works just fine. Messaging, calling, everything. The speaker is a little bit low, but the battery life lasts me through the day, so you'll have to charge at night, which for me isn't too big of a deal. And then obviously you have force touch, where you press harder, and then you have all the watch faces to choose from. Or you can force touch, and then you can customize, change the colors and everything. And you also have force touch for a lot of different features on the watch itself. And then you have your glances here, which shows you a bunch of quick glances at certain things. And that's about it for that part. But today I actually went out and got a new band. This is the black leather loop for the 42mm medium size. Now let's get it onto the watch. We have this really nice Apple packaging. Here we have a quick how to install guide. And here we have some warranty information, safety information. Now let's crack into the band itself. Has the Apple Watch branding right there. Very nice case, I guess, for carrying if one may need. Let's set this aside. And let's get this plastic off. Alright, well, it's two separate pieces. Apple always has these little white tabs to know where to pull. There's that. Here's that. This part is free, and now we have this part. Here it says that it is natural leather. Now let's get these installed to the watch. Now, When you first get the Apple Watch, of course, this band will be flat, but after wearing it, it will bend a little. Now to take it off, you just use these little buttons, press it down with your nail, and it slides right out. Set those aside. Now let's put this one on, like this. And then we'll put this one on, like this. Now let's try it on. Put it through the loop. Connects just like that. Now, while putting it on, I noticed that every single one of these is actually a magnet, which is nice, of course, and you can adjust it however you like. You have every single dot to choose from, and that's firm on there. That isn't gonna fall off or anything. And yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.